In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn off Normalize Volume on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once Spotify is open on your computer, head to your account area. You can either click your profile in the top corner or select the gear icon to open Settings. Both options take you to the same place. Inside Settings, look for the Playback controls. Depending on your version of Spotify, these options may appear under a section called Playback or under Audio Quality. Scroll through the available options until you find the setting labeled Normalize Volume. This setting is usually displayed with a short description and a toggle switch next to it. When you find Normalize Volume, turn the switch off. This disables volume normalization. You do not need to restart Spotify. The change takes effect immediately. To check the difference, play a track that is mastered loudly, followed by a softer track. You should be able to hear more of the natural difference in loudness between the two tracks. If you do not immediately see the Normalize Volume option, make sure you are using the Spotify desktop app rather than the web player. Then check both the Playback and Audio Quality sections, since the setting can appear in either location. Once normalization is turned off, you can return to the same setting at any time and turn it back on if needed. That's all there is to it. Go to Settings, locate Normalize Volume, and turn it off. Thank you for watching.